Hello friends, welcome to this lecture on computer aided engineering graphics of second semester. Today we will talk about the question number third, question number 2 of home assignment of sheet number 2. Okay, what is in this problem we have to draw the true inclination of the line and its traces and the front view we have to draw. What is given with us? We have the true length. What is true length? 90 mm. Just note down on paper. Inclined at 45 degree. So what we have? Theta 45 degree. And we have top view. Top view makes an angle 60 degree. So what we have? Beta. Beta is 60 degree. And the end point and P is in the horizontal plane. The point location of P, one end is given. Okay. So what we have, we can mark it P prime, its elevation, location of its elevation, P prime, and its plan, location of its plan. Okay, we are having this much stuff. Okay, so let's do one by one and try to find the try to solve this problem. Okay, so first we have to find the draw its front view. We have to draw the front view, and then front view draw, then we have to draw the true inclination with BP, that is phi. We have to calculate first we have to calculate the front view, then its angle with vertical plane, that is true inclination with the vertical plane, so that is phi. So we have to first front view and then phi. So let's start about the how to draw the front view. Front view means P prime and Q prime we have to find. Okay, first draw the XY line. Very simple. You locate any location here, that is P point. You first draw the XY line. Locate any point location on XY line. P prime will be on XY line because it is in horizontal plane, so it is P prime located. Okay, from P prime take an offset at 12 mm distance and you locate the on the same line P, that is plan of this point P. Okay, so we have this P and P prime. Now what we information we have, its elevation makes its true angle from horizontal plane. So we draw one line at 45 degree here, at 45 degree angle and of true length, that is 90 mm. Okay, so from P you will get Q1 prime point. Okay, Q prime point, you just draw one horizontal line, you will get the locus of this Q point. Okay, now we don't have this where it will intersect here. This is we have to draw, we have to find front view, we have to find the. Okay, so now how you locate this point? Let's start. You just project this point to the XY line. Okay, now we are rotating, we are projecting this true length on XY line, true length on XY line up to this, project it on this point here. You will you get this, rotate it here. Okay, you rotate it, stop here. Okay, you we had not drawn this line now. You draw same time, you draw this 60 degree angle and you draw this line at of any length. Okay, you just rotate this point to here, you will get this Q point. Now you have the plan PQ you have. Okay, you just project this Q point to this locus, you will get the Q prime. Now the front view is ready in front of you. This P prime Q prime is the nothing but the front view of this line PQ. Okay, your first problem is solved. Let's repeat this problem, this solution. You draw the XY line. Okay, you draw this line PQ line, locus of this Q. Then you rotate this elevation, you project this elevation, true length, this is true length and true inclination. So we can't call it as elevation, this is true inclination, true length, elevation. So you just project this, rotate this, you will get this Q point. You just project it on this locus of Q prime and join this with P prime, you will get the alpha angle and the this front view. Okay, now we have to find the phi. What we do for to locate this phi, we have this Q point. Okay, we have this locus. Okay, you just from this point P, you make an arc of 90 degree here. You make 90 degree arc, you will get the true length here. If this is true length, this will represent the true angle. In this way you can find the true angle of this. Otherwise, you to cross check, you can rotate this also. If you rotate this front view, you rotate this front view parallel to this xy line. Okay, then you project this on this locus, and again you will get the same thing. One and the both ways you can use it, whichever you like. Okay, this is all about this question number 2 of home assignment. I hope you will understand. If you find any difficulty, post it on Google Class. Thank you.